The court was hearing a plea by social organization Sahara, Kalyan, Samiti. FileNew Delhi. The Delhi High Court today sought the centre's response on appeal to amend the Muslim personal law on inheritance, alleging that Muslim women were discriminated on issues relating to sharing of property. A bench of Acting Chief Justice Geeta Mittal and Justice C. Hari Shankar asked the Ministry of Law and Justice to examine the issue of alleged discriminatory practice in the Muslim law on inheritance. It directed the government to submit its stand positively before the next date of hearing on April 9 next year. Central Government Standing Counsel Monica Arora told the bench that the Law Commission was examining the issue. The court was hearing a plea by a social organization Sahara, Kalyan Samiti, which has sought equal inheritance rights for Muslim women. The petition, filed by advocate Raghav Awasthi, alleged that Muslim women in India have been discriminated as far their rights of inheritance were concerned in comparison to their male counterparts. It said the discrimination based on customary law as well as statutory law was violative of their fundamental right to equality enshrined under Articles 14, 19, 21 and other relevant provisions of the Constitution. The plea contended that Article 13 of the Constitution included personal laws including Muslim personal laws. It is erroneous to assume that personal laws are excluded from the ambit of judicial examination, it said. It claimed that a bare perusal of the law shows that a wife shall receive 1/18 of the property of her husband on his death if they have children. In case there are no children born out of marriage, she is entitled to 1/14 of the property. A daughter shall receive half of the share of a son. In stark contrast, the man shall receive 1/14 of the property of his wife on her death if they have children. In case there are no children born out of the marriage, he is entitled to half the property. A son shall receive double the share of the daughter, the plea alleged. Thus, it is clearly perceivable that women under the present Islamic law in force are, by the mere factum of their being women in the nature of a wife or a daughter, are only entitled to half of the share of their male counterparts, it said.